All right, let's take a look at that downline toward the street, see how it looks in that direction. You know, that's a problem. That was folded down and kinked, and that's just going to grab paper like it just did, and it's going to grab waste, and it's going to be a continual blockage issue. Let me go locate where that is and recommend you dig it up, fix it. All right, so we got that located 18 inches deep. Let's take this out. 2R90's there. Can't go any further than that. That's the drop in the county lateral. So I got that marked 18 inches deep. You need to take that kink out of there. Before I cut that fitting out, take it back on a gradual grade, make a nice connection. Got it marked with a long line and a circle indicating the kink spot.